This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to test Klaviyo flows. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just need a refresher, testing your flows is an essential step to ensure everything runs smoothly before you launch. To begin, you'll want to open your specific automation canvas workspace layout inside the Flows Manager. This is where all your automation magic happens, and it's crucial to start here because this workspace allows you to visualize how your flow will operate. If you're not already familiar, Klaviyo's Flows Manager is essentially the control center for managing your automated emails and actions. Having a clear view of your entire flow helps you identify any potential issues before they become real problems. Once you have your workspace open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Template Builder screen. Here, you'll find the Preview and Test button. This button is your gateway to testing your flow, and it's conveniently located to provide easy access. Clicking this button is a simple yet powerful action that allows you to simulate how your flow will function in real time. After clicking the Preview and Test button, you'll see an option to select Preview. Go ahead and choose this option. The Preview feature is incredibly useful because it lets you see exactly what your recipients will experience when they receive your emails. This is your chance to catch any typos, broken links, or design issues that might not be immediately obvious. It's an opportunity to put yourself in your recipient's shoes and ensure everything looks and feels just right. Testing your Klaviyo flows is not just about ensuring the technical aspects are correct, it's also about the overall user experience. By previewing your flow, you can make adjustments to optimize this experience, ensuring your communications are as effective and engaging as possible. This step is crucial in maintaining your brand's reputation and ensuring your emails leave a positive impression. Additionally, while previewing, keep an eye out for any personalization elements you may have included, such as dynamic variables or conditional logic. These features can significantly enhance your flow, but they need to be checked to ensure they're pulling the correct information. If something seems off, this is the perfect time to troubleshoot and make necessary corrections. Remember, testing is a proactive measure that can save you from potential headaches down the line. It's always better to spend a little extra time in the testing phase to ensure everything is perfect than to deal with issues after your flow has been launched. Once you're satisfied with how your flow looks in the preview, you'll be in a great position to move forward confidently. In summary, testing your Klaviyo flows involves opening your automation canvas, clicking the Preview and Test button, and selecting Preview. This process allows you to ensure your flows are functioning as intended and are ready to deliver a seamless experience to your audience. By taking these steps, you'll be setting yourself up for success, ensuring that your automated communications are both effective and error-free. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Good luck with your Klaviyo flows, and happy testing!